Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website on HubSpot. First, navigate to the Website Pages section in your HubSpot portal. You'll then select whether to use a pre-designed template or build from scratch, offering hundreds of options. Next, connect your custom domain name, a crucial step for your site to be live and visible to your audience. This initial setup takes just a few minutes, laying the foundation for your online presence. Now, let's dive into design and content. HubSpot's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes arranging elements incredibly simple, even for beginners. You can effortlessly add compelling text, high-quality images, and engaging videos to each page. Remember to customize your site's colors, fonts, and overall layout to perfectly align with your brand's unique identity. This ensures a consistent and professional look across all your web pages. Optimizing your website for search engines is vital for attracting visitors. Focus on crafting clear, keyword-rich page titles and meta descriptions to improve your ranking. Ensure your site loads quickly by compressing images and streamlining code, aiming for a load time under 3 seconds. Also, implement responsive design principles so your website provides an excellent user experience on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones alike. Finally, it's time to launch your masterpiece. Before hitting publish, meticulously review every page to catch any errors or inconsistencies. Once live, leverage HubSpot's powerful analytics to track key metrics like page views, bounce rate, and conversion rates. Use these insights to continuously update and refine your content, ensuring your website remains effective and engaging for your audience over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.